Can somebody tell me why the city doesn't fix this stuff, guys? You know what? I got some magic crack filler right here. This is like some sort of a cable box or something like that. Look at this huge gouge, okay? I'm gonna take my magic crack filler. I'm just gonna fill this in. Look at this. I'm gonna fill this up really quick, guys. I'm gonna show you guys how incredible magic crack filler is. You just lay it in. When you get it wet, I'm putting a lot in here, right? So this is a big old chip. It's actually oddly satisfying to do. You lay it in just like that. You level it out. So you guys just level it out. Take a card, make it look pretty, right? Much better than it did. I'm gonna add a little bit more over here. Make sure it's completely filled up just the way you guys want it. Level it out. Okay, I'm gonna level it out, make it look good, and then you just get it wet. When you guys get this wet, it's fixed, okay? Look at that. Guys, why doesn't the city do this? If you got, you know, don't use sand. Sand just washes out, okay? So once you guys get that the way you want it, much better, right? Nobody's skateboard wheel is gonna go in there. You get it wet with water, okay? I'm gonna saturate this, take my water bottle, I'm gonna soak it down, okay? When you guys soak this down, it's gonna completely saturate. It might bubble a little bit. That's okay. Just get it really wet. Magic crack filler goes from a powder to a solid. We have 3 US patents on this. When you get this wet, this is gonna turn hard as a rock. So when I come back tomorrow, guys, I'm gonna show you, this is gonna be as hard as a rock, okay? Free shipping, free returns. I'm gonna link you guys down to a 3-pack. And can somebody please tell the city to just buy some magic crack filler and fix these cracks, guys?